Let's start by lying down in a comfortable position, either on the bed or on a yoga mat on the floor, a place where you can keep your spine straight. Make sure you have this time just for yourself and that you won't be disrupted. You can even add aromatherapy, maybe with lavender essential oil or your favorite calming scent, to the room where you are practicing this meditation. Let's start. Feel your body resting on the bed or on the floor. Close your eyes and notice your breathing. Don't try to change it or control it. Now, notice your heart space. Bring your left hand to rest on your heart. Feel your heartbeat. Just notice it. Imagine that from your heart there is a beautiful cord of light coming down through the floor all the way down to the ground until it reaches the center of the earth. There you will find the heart of Mother Earth. Connect your heart with hers. Feel how happy she is to give you her light, love, and nourishment. Now notice your heartbeat. Notice the warmth of your hand on your chest and the calmness of your being. Smile and enjoy listening to your heartbeat as it beats in harmony with the heartbeat of Mother Earth. Now, bring your right hand to your navel area. Notice if it feels cold or warm. Notice if the energy here is agitated or calm. Now, imagine that from your navel there is another cord of light coming all the way down to the floor, through the ground, and all the way down to the center of Mother Earth. There, find a place where you can anchor your cord of light, perhaps on the deep roots you can see. Notice now how your belly area feels. Keep your hand touching your body. As your heartbeat and breathing synchronize with the heartbeat and breathing of the Mother, notice the gentle waves of calmness and warmth coming from the heart to your navel, as if they are beating and breathing in unison. Stay there, feeling the waves of energy renewing your whole nervous system. Breathing in and out with ease and grace. You can enjoy a longer relaxation time if you wish, or slowly come back, bringing awareness to your surroundings. Rub your hands together and massage your face, harvesting this beautiful energy to your whole body. Smile. Know that the more you practice this meditation, the more effectively you can reset your nervous system.